Want to know the secret to drawing the coolest, most magical picture? Grab your favorite colors and let's come to Messiah Kids Club. Welcome to Blank Page, where every blank page turns into an adventure.
Hop, 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 hop. Little bunny, don't you stop. Wiggle your nose, touch your toes. Come on, bunny, off we go. Little bunny in the garden, hopping through the grass. Wiggle, wiggle, little nose, watch the flowers pass. Floppy ears go up and down, soft and fluffy tail. Hop around the garden, follow little trail. One little hop, two little hops, three little hops, and never stop. Bunny, bunny, hop, hop, hop. Bunny, bunny, never stop. Wiggle your nose and shake your ears. Hop with me, my little dear. Hop to the left, hop to the right. Little bunny, what a sight. Little bunny sees a carrot, orange, bright and sweet. Takes a tiny little nibble, crunchy, crunchy treat. Then he sees a butterfly flying in the sky. Bunny wiggles both his ears and gives a happy sigh. Hey, hey! Bunny on the beat. Hop, hop, flip, flop, wiggle, wiggle, don't stop. Left foot, right foot, hop around. Tiny bunny, cute nose, fluffy tail, tail, here he goes. 1, 2, 3, come and hop with me.